Hello everyone, today I am going to show top 5 best 4K ultra short throw laser TV projectors to buy in 2023, based on specification. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started the video. Number 5, Polaris 4K UHD Ultra Short Throw Laser TV Projectors. The Polaris 4K UHD Ultra Short Throw Laser TV is a high-end television that utilizes laser projection technology to produce bright and vibrant images. It is designed to be mounted on a wall or placed on a stand and can project an image up to 120 inches in size. The laser projection system used by the Polaris TV provides a number of advantages over traditional LED or LCD televisions. For example, it can produce brighter images with more vivid colors, and it is able to do so while using less energy. The laser technology also allows for a longer lifespan compared to traditional TV lamps. In addition to its advanced projection system, the Polaris TV features a 4K Ultra HD resolution, providing 4 times the resolution of a standard 1080p TV. This means that the picture is incredibly sharp and detailed, and viewers can see even the smallest details in their favorite movies, TV shows, or video games. The Polaris TV also includes a range of smart features, including built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and access to popular streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. This allows viewers to easily access and stream their favorite content directly from the TV, without the need for additional devices or cables. Overall, the Polaris 4K UHD Ultra Short Throw Laser TV is a top-of-the-line television that delivers exceptional image quality and advanced features for an unparalleled. Number 4, LG HU85LA Ultra Short Throw 4K UHD Laser Projector, Con Resolution 4K UHD, 2700 lumens ANSI, support HDR10, LG Smart TV Integrado y Más, El Projector LG HU85LA Ultra Low TN to do. Además de las características que les encantan a los entusiastas de la tecnología, este proyector láser crea una imagen potente, incluso en condiciones de iluminación ambiental, mientras que solo ocupa una pequeña cantidad de espacio. Simplemente colocalo en cualquier superficie. 7.1 pulgada de la pared, y inmediatamente salta una impresionante pantalla 4K UHD de 120 pulgadas. Number 3, Samsung Premier LSP7T Projector, Láser Ultra Brillante 4K UHD, Tecnología Láser de Vanguardia y Resolution 4K que ofrecen una imagen similar al cine y contraste con 2200 lumens Smart TV alimentado por Tizen. VE más allá de Smart TV con aplicaciones de última generación, control super fácil, y una serie de mejoras que elevan la experiencia de visualización del proyector de cine ultra corto y compacto. Este proyector compacto puede convertir cualquier habitación en un cine en casa. La tecnología de tiro ultra corto permite la colocación del producto dentro de pulgadas de cualquier paired par. Number 2, VAVA 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser TV Projector. The VAVA 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser TV Projector is a cutting-edge home theater device that projects a large, high-quality image onto a wall or screen. This projector uses advanced laser technology to create stunning, vibrant images that are brighter and more colorful than traditional projectors. One of the key features of the VAVA 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser TV Projector is its ultra short throw capability. This means that the projector can be placed extremely close to the screen or wall, allowing it to project a large image without taking up a lot of space. The projector can create an image up to 150 inches in size, making it ideal for large rooms and home theaters. The VAVA 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser TV Projector also boasts a 4K resolution, which provides 4 times the resolution of standard 1080p projectors. This means that the image is incredibly sharp and detailed, with crisp and clear images and text. In addition to its impressive projection capabilities, the VAVA 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser TV Projector also includes a range of smart features. It has built-in Wi-Fi, allowing users to connect to their favorite streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. It also includes Number 1, Optoma CinemaX P2 Projector for QHD plus HDR10, Disfruta de una experiencia cinematográfica de cine en casa de alta calidad, con tecnología 4K Ultra HD, HDR10 y una increíble relación de contraste de 2.000.000:1 tranquilidad. El CinemaX P2 incluye una protección limitada de países de 2 años y mano de obra en el proyector y una protección de fuente de luz de 5 años o 12.000 horas, lo que ocurre primero, rueda, de color de 6 segmentos, experimenta colores, más ricos y brillo. Mejorado con la rueda, de color de 6 segmentos, la rueda de color RGB aporta, un color cinematográfico, preciso a tu hogar, reproduciendo películas, TV y juegos de la forma, en que el director lo imagino láser brillante, y fiable, la tecnología, láser ofrece un brillo excepcional, de hasta 30.000 horas, de vida útil de la fuente, de luz que mantiene una impresionante calidad de imagen a lo largo de su vida útil, 3.000